creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an extra? All this time she was standing there, she never took her hat off. Bang, 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 banging on the, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the bathroom, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the, banging on the bathroom, banging on the, 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 banging on the. How could I forget that I had given her an extra? All this time she was standing there, she never.
Let's unbox some stuff that I got from Amazon. I wonder what it is. Like, I don't know, but y'all don't know what it is. I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys. So one already did know, so may I start my wig influencer journey, right? But there are some tools that I need, and in my last video, if you haven't checked it out, I'm gonna put it up here. Go and check out my last video where I showed you quite a few stuff that you will need if you're thinking about getting into wigs or you want to do your own wigs, you know, because it's good to learn, save a little coin. So I got this that I am in need of. So your girl got a mannequin head. Yeah, so I got a mannequin head, guys, and it comes with a stand. I got wig caps with it. I got a tail comb. I got some hair clips. I got some T-pins and needle and thread. Yeah, I didn't need this. So like the T-pins is what hold down the wig on the mannequin. I got some pins for the mannequin head as well. And then I got this thing, like if you want to put the mannequin head on a table, you can clamp it on. So this is like a clamp. Yeah, and that is that. I paid 20 the price, but I believe it was 29. I don't think it cost $30. I'm not sure, guys. But yeah, so I got all of these stuff, and these are essential stuff that you're going to need whether or not you're going to do wig influencing. Once you like to wear wigs, and there are some little simple things that you can do yourself and learn how to customize the wig and, you know, fix it up. When I do sometimes struggle with styling the wig on my head, like your arms burn, so having the mannequin head on the stand definitely, you know, relax the arms a bit, and it can be a little bit more creative. So like if I want to do cornrow on the wig, I can pre-do the style and then just put it on my head. Like, yes, so I'm super happy. I'm so happy for it. I needed one for the longest time, guys. So this is almost like a tripod, but it's for your wig. So this is how it looks on the floor. So guys, don't watch my toe if you not see. So like, yeah, if it's over my head, yeah man, I can easily work with it. You guys want me to do a separate video about becoming a wig influencer, and you want to know little tips? I'm not an established wig influencer, but I have spent couple years, you know, watching by the sidelines and doing my research. So me know a little thing, you know, certain little scam and certain little things. Yeah, so if you don't want me to do a video separate, I can do a video. So just comment and let your girl know. All this stuff is from Shein. Oh my god. Ooh, my dress is here. Okay, let's have some weight. So this is a dress. Alright guys, what is this? This is Shein. So ooh, oh, this is the shoes. Got the shoes. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I have somewhere to go, but y'all gonna see that next week. Well, not next week, but yeah, in upcoming vlogs you guys gonna see where I'm going. So I got this from Shein. But can't manage high heels anymore. Your girl all on the back. But I like this. This is so cute. This is so cute. I got a watch, a gold watch, and a bracelet. This is nice. It's hard. It is cute. I don't even know if I'm not see the beauty of it, but this is cute. So guys, I can't really wear earrings, so I have to use necklaces and chain. What I did not get was some bangles. When I shop my procrastinate, it's like me I say, no, you're overbuy, girl. You don't need that. You don't need that. And then when you vision the fit, yeah, I say, should I really go with it? So I bought 2 sandals. Packaging is not bad at all. Look at the packaging. The packaging is not bad. I like how they package this. It have a strong smell. You know that new scent is so strong. So I got these slippers. I thought it was cute. So I got this. It have a little weight to it now guys. It don't feel flimsy at all. So I got this. It don't feel flimsy. But guys, I can't show no. We can't show no how it fits on come. My foot I wear a size 10 and my feet are broad and them one polish and then those stay good. So I'm not gonna show no. I'm gonna order from this store again. I don't remember the store, but I will link it everything in the description so you guys can get to see. I saw the girlies are raving about this slide. It's not light, it's very heavy. It's not as flimsy as some of them because I have a black one but very flimsy. These have weight to it. These are nice guys. May I hope you not see. These are very nice. Yeah man, I needed some stuff so I took my time. Guys, what I'm doing is, I don't know if y'all know about Capsule wardrobe. So I've been watching a lot of videos where the girl is talking about Capsule wardrobe where like you can have certain colors. So I try to get my wardrobe in order where I have certain colors like neutrals, and then I can have a few colors, but then the neutral can be mixed in so many different ways where the outfit look new again, you know. So instead of, I tend to overbuy or spend on a lot of clothing that don't make sense, and then I end up not wear them after one time, not like them. So I need like to create that capsule wardrobe where neutrals and then I can mix them. You know what I say? So what for this? I saw these slippers. I saw the brown slippers and I got this matching bag. I don't know how well it's going to match, but let us see. So I got the matching bag for it. Oh my god, I love it. Let me show you guys. It looks good. Oh my god, it looks good. It's just a shine. This is so shiny. Like, this is so shiny. I wish it wasn't so shiny. It should have been like, you know, like how this have a matte finish. Yeah, the shininess of this. Yeah, but it's nice to know. But look at this. This is so cute. So, yeah. This is the bag, and this is the slippers. As of today's video, our subscriber count is at 474 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for hitting the subscribe button, for supporting your girl. Yes, we are on our way. We're on our way for 500 subscribers by the end of March. It looks can you guys watching button and not subscribe? Oh guys, we have the goal. Let us meet the goal. Come on, we can do this. We can do this.
Let's get to the fun part. Let's try on these dresses. So guys, these dresses are some sun dresses that I wanted to just wear, like if I'm lounging, if I'm running on the road to do a little errands. Nothing fancy, nothing extra. I noticed that the size are not created equal because some are very wide at the chest, the busty area is a little bit big, while the others fit perfect. If you like any of these pieces, comment down below which piece is your favorite, and if you like them so much that you would like to purchase, look in the description box. I will definitely be putting the code there that you can use. I think I have a promo code that could give you discount as well from Shein. Continue watching.
Don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me, please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullish, and let's go.
The vests are so cute, guys. These can be matched with jeans, and you can dress it up, dress it down with heels. I got the black and the pink in it just to test it out to see the quality and how it will fit. The quality is not bad, guys. All the pieces that I bought, the quality is not bad. I am so happy about it. Took me a while to figure it out and to put it on. I'm gonna end up putting on the dress wrong. I love the details of this ruffled rose petals looking dress. It is so pretty. I definitely can't wear this with a bra. I have to get some tape, bust tape to tape up the girlies, but I love the details.
I know I sound confident, I'm supposed to know. We do it big, how we live, Kelly told you so. Come on.
Now this dress, oh god, the color, it looks just as the picture. The color is so pretty. I think it fits a little big, but I don't know. I think this just need a little brooch or something right under the bust, or maybe it's the bra that I'm wearing that not giving it the total look. I definitely have to fit it with another bra, but I love this dress, and this is for a special occasion. I'm gonna wear it, so you guys will be seeing that soon. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video, and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.